Hey there mga my loves, Leo! Thank you so much. Patuloy at wala po ninyong sawang pag-support dito sa mga pabalik-balik na subscribers. Maraming thank you, mahal. At syempre sa mga new subscribers, hi and hello, welcome. Tuloy-tuloy po kayo rito. Ayan, no, hope na mag-subscribe at mag-stay rin kayo sa channel na to. No? Just take how this resonates, Leo. At syempre, no, kayo masyadong maloka sa sapin natin for today. Nilabahan lang yung sapin natin for today, mga babes, no? Kasi naman tsahan siya. So, yan, no? Yeah, okay. So, yan. Pag naduling kayo, no, at masyadong matingkad sa paningin nyo ito, no, pakinggan nyo na lang yung reading. Huwag na kayong tumingin sa screen. So, yun nga mga babes na Leo. So, yeah, okay. Thank you so much. At syempre, reminders muna tayo na wala tayong gender, by lalaki LGBT, cross-watchers, you can prefer if you want, and all of you, just take how this resonates, and at the end of the day, you still have your free will. Kaya naman alamin natin kung ano magiging kaganapan here for you, Leo. So, let's see. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, maraming salamat. What do we have here? Messages for my dear Leo people, please. This is for Leo. New subscribers, by the way, my name is Yan po. Okay, tuloy po kayo dito. Pwede kayo mag-subscribe anytime you want. Ang channel kung saan walang pilitan. Mag-subscribe kayo kung kailan nyo gusto. Yan. Leo. Okay, so wow. Nakuha na natin, no, ang ating energies na dapat nating kunin. So yeah, tinan na natin. First energy you've got right here, Leo, is the to be fair. Ilatag na natin lahat ng sabihin ay makita natin, no? Ng mas malinaw. We also have here for you guys the time to go. The why is right here. We also have this exchanging gifts. The peace. Wow. Not for you. Okay. And also we've got right here chaos and conflict by the book observer. So it looks like this is you, Leo, no? For a lot of my Leo out there, you're experiencing, or recently lang, no? Parang nag-detach kayo from something. You feel down. Parang feeling ninyo, no? Parang bakit ganito yung iba parang feeling ninyo iniwanan kayo, or parang hindi kayo worthy, hindi ba kayo pwedeng irespeto, or hindi ba kayo pwedeng mahalin. Yan, no, parang feeling down kayo, no, because people here could had abandoned you guys in any shape, form, or way. Yan, no, it's like you give your whole self to those people. Yan, no. Yung iba, nag-extra mile pa kayo, binigay nyo lahat, no? Lahat ng meron kayo, no, yung sarili nyo, oras, pera, panahon, effort, lahat, okay? Andun ka na sa punto na parang binigay mo na lahat, no? Pero yung pagbabagong hinihingi mo mula sa mga taong yan, doesn't have to be romantically situations lang, no? Pero yun nga, no, parang hindi pa rin sapat, or hindi pa rin nagiging sapat, no? But I'm seeing you letting go, because we have here the to be fair and exchanging gifts. It's like the universe right here is giving you something to celebrate. Ang dami mong banderitas, mahal. Yan, banderitas, which are symbols and signs na meron ditong something na isa-celebrate ka. Something here that will make you happy. No? At nagiging balance, no? Fair is other word for balance, diba? Patas, pantay, no? At yun nga mga babes, no? Galing ka rin sa parang maalon, no? Na pagsubok ng buhay mo, no? Pero nakikita kong ibinibigay mo na to, no? Kay universe, kay God, no? Wala tayong gender dito, at syempre, wala tayong religion, tandaan nyo yan, no? So, nakikita ko rito na, ikaw to na parang isinusuko mo na lahat, no? Isinusuko mo na lahat, no? Tinatanggap mo na may mga bagay rito, no? Na hindi for you, yan, no? With the why right here, no? And not for you. Dito nalaman mo, ngayon, no, nahawak mo rito, no, yung libro na may pakpak. So, it looks like there is some kind of a truth na malalaman mo, no, na magpapalaya sa'yo right here. It's like that deeper or inner knowing, no? Yan talaga yung gustong matuklasan mo ni universe dito, no? And I think it has something to do with stability. Number 31 is right here. 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 is the powerful number of family, home, and stability. So, dito nalalaman mo na, no, yan, no? Kasi yung ibang bagay, mga babes, no, parang ikaw to na parang ginawa mo na lahat, naging strategic ka na, no, you gave your all, no, you feel like na parang yun kasi yung parang luck or parang charm mo sa buhay mo, no, pero yun nga, no, hindi ito nagdadala ng growth sa'yo, no, parang nilaban mo, ginawa mo lahat, no, at hindi mo naiintindihan before, no, kung bakit ganun yung ginagawa sa'yo ng mga energies na yan. Maybe they did something wrong to you. Maybe this person did something unfair to you, no? It made you feel disappointed, not just to them, but also to yourself. But now, you are seeing the truth with this, no? Why and not for you. Natutuklasan mo na at nalalaman mo na, no, na may mga bagay kang kailangang bitiwan nang sa ganun, no, ay makita mo kung saan ka talaga dapat mapunta. Kung makikita mo, no, sana kita rito, nakikita mo yung parang ambience doon, parang may syudad, it's like the city, no? It's time for you to move a different direction right here. No, there's something here, no, na meron kang dapat i-look forward, no. May mga bagay tayong hindi binibitiwan noon, no, na dahil nalaman na natin kung ano yung dahilan kung bakit kailangan yung bitiwan, no, kaya na natin ngayon na i-let go yung bagay na yun. At yun yung nangyayari sa'yo, Leo. No? Sumasabay ka sa pagbabago na hindi mo nakikita before. Okay? So, it might be difficult situation right now for you. Yung iba pwedeng in-end nyo na yan, no? Pero kayo to na parang may pain pa sa heart ninyo, no? That will soon end with the chaos and conflict because makikita mo rito, no? Magiging aware ka sa paligid mo, no? Yung proseso na sinusundan rito, no? Ay magdadala sa'yo, excuse me, no? Sa panibago rito na mundo for you guys, no? You're realizing, no, na parang kung saan ka papunta, meron dong peace and serenity. Tingnan mo, sana nakikita ninyo mga babes, no? Ayan, no, yung pathway, time to go, kung makikita mo, no, meron doon na door at the end, and you have the banderitas and the banderitas right here. Changes which brings wishes coming true. 23, this could be somewhat special or significant to ya, but when you add it 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 is the changes that you're looking for. At ang maganda, it will give you peaceful, no? At serenity rito, no? Na energy. Now, you're realizing that it's time for you to go, no? Tama na yung pagpa-fantasy sa mga bagay, no? Na sobra-sobra mo nang binigay yung sarili mo, pero wala, no? Wala talaga, no? Kasi hindi pala yun yung para sa'yo. Kasi meron dito mga pagbabago, no? Na naghihintay para sa'yo kung saan papunta ka dun sa balanse, no? At pagkakaroon rito ng balanse, hindi lamang, no, sa iisang aspeto, no, ng buhay mo na naapektuhan before, pero sa lahat ng areas ng life mo. Believe me, everything is balancing. Changes is the powerful, no? Significant na nakikita ko rito at papunta ka doon, no? Keep eliminating whatever it is that isn't right for you. See? Iniwan ka nila, inabandona ka nila, no? Pero ikaw ang biniyayaan, no? Meron ka rito mga blessings na hindi mo nakita noon, no? Pero nakikita ko na ito ay makikita mo na yung iba na naghahanap rito, no, ng tao ritong aalaga, no, mag-aalaga, no, at magbibigay sa iyo ng tunay na pagmamahal, paparating na rito, and this feels like a soulmate. Someone here na makakaintindi kahit hindi ka magsalita, parang alam niya yung nasa sa loobin mo. Someone here that will pat your shoulder or pat your back right here and will tell you, Kinsanayo, it's okay. Yan, you have me. You can tell me everything. Yan, someone that will care for you. Someone that will tell you it's alright. Okay? It's just a bend. Kaya mo yan. Nasa likuran mo ko. Naniniwala ko sa'yo. This feels like a soulmate. Others of you, if this is about love. But others of you, this could be a newfound friendship, no? Na magsistay at maglalas, no? So nakikita ko rito na na dumaan ka rin sa pagsubok ng buhay recently na parang hindi mo kaya, na parang yung mga tao rito na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, binigyan mo ng tiwala rito, Leo, no, is end up na pinili rito talikuran ka, no? But I'm seeing you right here, no? Yung iba, age is just a number. Nakikita ko rito. Yung iba, miss yan, ngayon pa lang na matanda na ako, ngayon ko nakita na dapat palang alisan ko tong bagay na to. It's okay, honey. You're not late, okay? You're not late. Okay? Now that you know the truth, that you need to live the things right here and you're seeing, no, yung mga bagay na talagang para sa'yo, okay? Remember this. Everything that shows up for you is for you. Okay? Okay lang yan. Yung iba, no, na miss yan ngayon ko lang na-realize kung kailan 50s na ako. Miss yan ngayon ko lang na-realize ko. It's just a number. Ang importante ay ang nalalaman mo at naging awakened ka na sa kung anong meron ngayon. At ngayon na nakikita mo yung mga biyaya, anong gagawin? Pasok. Papasukin mo yung biyaya niyan sa buhay mo, no, at magtutuloy-tuloy kang magiging masaya, no? Ito na yung tunay, no? Ito na yung tunay, no, na wonderful land or wonderful world, no? Ito na yung tunay na dapat na fortune cookie na ingatan mo, no? Kasi may mga bagay ka na hindi mo binibitiwan noon kasi akala mo worth it silang panghawakan, but you're letting it go, Leo, and I'm seeing you, no? Freeing yourself from anything. A very peaceful world is waiting for you, guys. Okay? So ngayon, alam ko mahirap with the chaos and conflict. Marami rito yung iba, nakikita ko rito, nagkasabay-sabay pa miss yan. Pero, go with the process. Go with the flow. I'm seeing na ginaguide ka dito, no? Sa kung saan ka dapat mapunta. Okay? Use all of your senses and your intuition on this one. Because if you feel like yung iba iniisip ninyo, baka pinaparusahan kayo or whatever, no, why? Okay? This is just the part of your, okay, life. This is the plan right here. Because others of you, you're not letting go for quite a long time. Okay? Because yun nga, akala nyo, no, may mga energy kasi tayo dito na parang tinuring ninyo na ayaw ko tong bitiwan kasi ito yung nagpapasaya sa akin. Pero everyday, no, parang either na magpasaya sa'yo, mas binibigyan ka pa ng sakit ng ulo at problema. It's not healthy for you. It's something toxic. Diba? So you need to release that, and now you're accepting because you're now seeing the signs. You're now being aware of these people's true colors. And now you're seeing all the blessings coming in. Hello, ma'am. Ito po ba si si Leo? Ay, nanalo po kayo din sa raffle namin. Congratulations po, house and lots. Yun na. Diba? Example yun. Okay? Ibig sabihin, good news will keep on dumadating sa buhay mo, no? Habang ikaw, no, kunwari ganito, umiiyak ka, no, umiiyak ka, no, dahil iniwan ka ng ex mo or dahil trinidor ka ng friend mo or whatever, no, and then suddenly, yun nga, may tumawag sa'yo, nanalo ka raw ng house and that and whatever, and it's legit. Ibig sabihin, universe are trying to get your attention. Okay? You need to go with the process of chaos to conflict right here. And you're moving towards success. You're moving towards your dreams. Everything is happening in alignment, no? It's now time to go sa tunay na wonderland, babe. Okay? So claim this and receive this, honey, because this is very beautiful. This is good news. So yeah, claim this and receive this. Thank you so much. Sarang Love and Light.